That's why people decided to say this is the second house of our king, this is the house of gold and jewelry and treasures. And that's why they were robbed. That's why these people later on, they changed their beliefs and the concept. Instead of marking their houses, they started to hide their treasures in pits and mountains in Valley of the Kings. Even they covered their pits in Valley of the Kings with lots of sand and garbage from outside just to keep it away from the robbers. But still, even when they did that, their tombs were robbed in Valley of the Kings. So we believe that the robbers were most probably the priests themselves. They know the way in and out, and they know the amount of treasures and gold which is placed inside. The first thing which was founded in this part of the Western Desert is this pyramid, the step pyramid of King Zoser. And then he surrounded the whole pyramid with an enclosure wall all around. The only remaining part from this enclosure wall is the entrance. Can we see the entrance from here? It's right there. This is where we're going to go inside. And this enclosure wall used to have 14 doors. 13, we call them dummy doors, and one working entrance, the one we're going to use. Even this part of the enclosure wall was found damaged. When this area was excavated, they found the blocks of stone scattered around. So they restored the entrance by using the old, genuine stones, and they added very few new blocks modern, so you can get the difference in color between old and new. The new blocks, they just put them beside each other, but the old one, it's like tongue and groove. So it's totally different design.
That's great.
Nothing was written on the walls of this complex. The first time in history to use stone, so all their concern was to use the stone and blocks. So they did not write anything, and that's why we have different points of use for the use of this place. Maybe it's a funerary complex, maybe for election, because they say that they use it for election. The king, after ruling 30 years, he must prove that he's still strong and he can carry on for another 30 years. And we knew from Manetho, who wrote our history, that this complex was used once by Zoser. So maybe he ruled Egypt for more than 30 years. We have our tickets in our hands, cameras and video cameras are allowed inside.